no way that took 20 minutes.
Wait, wait, no, cancel. What's the, can't, go back. New mission. Select mission. This one.
Did someone say the mole?
Our work here is done.
Time for the smuggler to fulfill
Jesus
inside of the
fucking
deal
Christ.
and get us out of the country.
Hector and I are looking for tempura.
You stealing my RP voice?
I gotta give the monkey man something. They're like, I'm gonna
Oh,
in my
wait.
head canon that they're brothers.
I was about to go into like a completely different fucking voice for the devil. Just so. But
But
like a shame to pass up an opportunity.
I'm listening.
About a month ago, some items of a historical significance were stolen from the museum.
What?
it is
on-
pronounced oceanographic.
Marco Polo.
What the fuck is wrong with this crew?
Investigators are still scouring the scene for evidence that will reveal the identity of the fourth thief. Should they continue their search, I'm sure the evidence will be found.
You want us to help you clean up a month-old crime scene?
What are friends for?
My headset's dying.
You
Go
edgy
back to the
shit.
board.
What do we get in return?
Oh, they ever look good on your mantelpiece.
Ooh.
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 Oh,
How
I'm gonna skin Mickey Mouse and put him up there for you.
Ooh.
What
Mickey
oh
Mouse
god, I don't even know what I've just missed. Oh fuck, I hit my
Ready,
headset.
go!
You wanna
Awaken!
now?
We gotta. Dear Mom and Dad, I own a machine gun. That's right, a machine gun. It seems like I get fired from every job I take
Y'all are
because of those thieves coming in.
y'all are messing around.
So I decided to take matters into my own hands.
Headset, son of a bitch. You're my worst enemy, you motherfucker.
The mole is at
The more I know it, that
objective.
way. Here we go.
Wait, I'm reading this guy. Hey,
Dear mom and oh my god. Oh, I read this!
can you snap his neck for me? I'm done with it.
What was it
Alright.
all about?
He decided to take matters into his own hands because he's a big boy now, and he don't need know anything from anyone.
When y'all are
Oh,
done, the mole is
fucking-
ready.
Dumbledad is ready.
What are you
Oh,
going to the vents? You can see the hole that I already dug.
I cannot see the hole that you already
Yes, you
dug.
can.
You can. This vent?
Oh wait, I'm on the wrong
It's like it was
side.
next to the vent. You guys are stupid.
Oh,
Bummer.
wait, no, I don't see it.
I hate you. You were just in it.
You gotta go up, not down, up.
Oh, fuck.
You did the same thing I did. I'm dumb as hell.
Mole's friends are stupid.
Mole
I'm
friend
gonna
dumb.
jump out
Come
here.
on.
I'm gonna grab a
What's the
wrench.
pressure?
Mole friend
Ass.
is dumb.
You colossal ass.
Oh! Oh my god, he has a machine
I'm gonna
gun.
go outside.
Oh no! Wait, guys, don't leave me here.
here.
He has a boomstick. Oh my god.
Goodbye, Caleb.
Oh, help! Oh no! Oh no!
Just calmly walk by.
Yeet, yeet.
Oh god. Never
I
mind.
tried doing.
Never mind.
Oh, he has a. Oh my god, he's releasing some mad heat. Holy shit.
Guys, look,
This
there's a
guy-
kraken.
He killed me in like fucking 2 seconds.
His gun is like the 100 North Star fist crack or whatever.
100 fist crack. 100 waking crack fist.
100 crack, not cocaine. Wait, Jack, you're our only hope. Jack. Nice. Get me first.
You can do it, Jack. You're our only hope.
Okay, but just don't make him stop doing that to my face. I gotta go through the wall before they see me.
Wait.
Help me, Jack. You're my only hope. I'm your Princess Leia, and you're my Obi-Wan Kenobi. Thanks, Smoke Grenade. It's the stealthiest weapon in the entire game.
No, I too did.
Wait, who do I help?
Thank
Oh,
you.
nobody.
Now kill this guy.
Oh, hi there.
Ooh.
I
Wait.
would kill nobody. Bad guy. Oh, thank you for hacking that.
This
Now I
way.
could get
Sweet
seen
child.
peacefully.
Now kill
No.
this guy.
Hacking stupid. Breaking.
The Kraken. What in the sweet fuck?
I wanna go this way.
Yeah, they have an entire
Wait,
fucking.
don't go
track.
there.
Let's go, boys.
Wait, what the?
Uh.
Why my thing not activate? I'm actually kind of angry about that.
Cause you weren't
Sneaking?
fucking. He had an exclamation point above.
Oh, hey, it's me, the mole. Let's go. Let's go this way.
God, you're such a colossal ass.
Whoa!
Oh!
I don't wanna go that way. I don't wanna go that way.
I don't want to be in here anymore. Get me out of here.
Wait.
Oh,
I gotta hack
oh
first.
god! Oh god!
Get me out of here.
Hacked.
Oh,
Ow.
stop!
Ow.
Stop!
Oh, goodbye, Caleb.
Okay, you can make it.
The
Jack, what are you
top
doing?
Secret store. Oh, Jack, I believe in you.
He's hacking
I'm
that up.
walking. I'm being a hacker, man.
Alright, now it's time to be like a
That's not real.
Usain
Hey,
Bolt.
that's not
real.
Hey, I'm not real.
Like shove him back.
This is-
You just shove people like that?
or do you have the wrench?
Nah, I think he just shoves them.
I want that ability.
Wait, I already hacked that.
No, I had to hack it.
I hate you.
Don't worry, I got this.
Band-Aid.
Be calm. Quiet. Be calm. We're fine.
Wait, I gotta get the trophy, hold on.
Already got it.
I already got it.
What the? What the? I'm behind the.
I think you're just. Oh, I failed.
Did it? Oh, we gotta get one more evidence.
It's right here. I got it. Oh!
Goodbye, Caleb.
Holy moly.
Alright, well, I'll see you guys next year.
Wait, we're going this way. I'm booking it. Oh, I want this. Nice.
Alright.
Wait.
Wait, I gotta go save him.
I was stealthing him. I'm
Stealth this.
stealthing him.
We did it. Good stealth, team.
Stealth team.
Stealth squad activated.
Hacking.
We gotta wait.
Hacking.
Hacking.
Hack it.
Hacked.
Hacked it.
We gotta stealth.
Breaking.
Initiating. Duh, duh, duh.
Initiating stealth sequence.
Wait, those are
Walking
machine guns.
at
Wait,
things.
don't get caught by the machine gun.
Got him. Got him, coach. Activating stealth. Are we going down? Where are we going?
Activating stealth.
Good, I
Walking
found-
straight in.
I found the aquatic exhibit. Are we going down?
Yep.
Okay.
Hacked.
But you gotta go
Anyways.
down up here.
Okay, I'll go down up there.
No, Jack, I don't want to go down on you.
Oh
worry.
god.
He's not real. He can't even see me. He doesn't even know I'm real.
What the fuck? I can see his little. Oh, he's turning back. Yeah.
Okay, I can't go that way. Let's go this way.
Go away, Bixby. I'm not trying to talk to you.
You're such an asshole.
The mole knows the way. I'm running.
Wait,
I am not
smoke
popping
bomb
out of
us,
that
you-
yet. Can I just? Got him.
Wait, the exit's right there. What am I doing?
Wait, Is it we're supposed to steal?
We already steal the shit we're supposed to. Top floor.
Hold on, I'm hacking the car. Hey, dummies. Ah, crap.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna get on this car.
I got in
car?
the Lamborghini. Come on,
My
Jack.
car's on fire.
My car got a Lamborghini in it.
There's like.
Inside of mine.
That one.
Oh no, I'm cornered. I give up.
Wait, Jack, just go in our
I
car.
swear, I give up.
What are you doing?
He's
We
juking
need
them.
one car.
He's juking them. He's juking them.
You can sit to my left.
I want to take the Lamborghini.
What did I unlock? Oh, I unlocked a road.
Fuck car. Sucks.
Alright, we can do one more, and then I'm gonna have to call it that.
Alright.
I believe. This will be the best one.
This will be the absolute best.
The stealthiest of stealth.
Stealth?
Somehow, the gentleman had made us lose sight of our goal. I don't know why we kept accepting his opportunities. Part of me thinks that it was just our nature to be seduced by him. The lookout was a team player. Pickpocket was quietly getting rich. And I think the cleaner just liked hurting people.
Ellipses.
But none of us expected that 3 days later, we would be picking up the gentleman's girlfriend from a nightclub, while she stood over David E.'s corpse.
Rescue the redhead from David E.'s murder at the scene of the nightclub. You ready, fuckos?
Yeah. I guess I'm right. Okay, we just gotta walk.
AK-47.
Oh, there's AKs? Alright, let's go fucking mow some people down.
Oh, this is end all missions right here.
Wait, this is a stealth mission though. We got a stealth.
We're still stealth.
Oh, okay.
I need a key.
Who needs the key?
What
We're in,
the fuck
boys.
is a key?
Those are a lot of
If
people.
this guy turns around, I'm killing myself.
Wait, can we just...
This guy has a key.
Wait a minute. Can I just...
That was cool.
Can I just do this?
Hacker man!
Oh, what?
Fuck all of you! Oh my god!
Oh wait, I found the underground dance party.
I'm a murderer.
I think we're more than murderers now.
Alright, I'm in the underground dance party, boys. Let's roll.
Oh!
Oh, I'm hacking the cash register.
The bouncers!
Yeah. Oh, I got a key. Stealth mission. Oh, that guy got a gun too. Run!
Hands up!
Yellow lame. Did they
I
put their
killed
hands up?
all of them. Caleb, we gotta go. Caleb,
I'm
shoot him.
going. I'm going. What do you think I'm doing?
Jack!
Looks like it's the job
There's
for
no
the
one in this
moment.
room.
Let me go help
I'm
y'all.
licking your bones. There's somebody in this room.
Stop
Holy
Stop
fuck.
touching my
Never
bone.
mind, never mind.
I'm gonna go get a coat.
Alright, you do that. And I'll just do my thing. Demo is happy.
What? They're all alive again.
What is that noise?
Guys,
Boys,
I'm
come
in
this way,
trouble.
boys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Check, I'll mow him down for you. Where are they at? Oh, wait, no, we got never mind. Let's go, 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 go.
Easy.
This underground dance party.
Yeah.
Now we walk
Wait,
out.
we gotta stealth it up. Come on.
Do we get suits?
That's the camera. I'll hack it. Camera's out.
It's just a spot. Uh-oh.
What'd y'all do?
That was me. We good. Wait, where are
No,
we going
whatever
now?
shall happen. Fuck out of my way.
Ow. Alright. Y'all have fun with that.
Where do
That
we,
guy's like a
what do
bomb.
we get?
Oh, we have to kill that dude. He has like a bunch of money on him.
Oh,
There's
there's a
two
lot of
dudes.
people with regular money, with a lot of money. That's what I normally get, but goodbye, Jack.
Oh, looks like it's all up to me.
Where do we go? Because there's another thing for street level, but
Allah Akbar. Allah Akbar.
Caleb,
I
you
gotta
can
have
get,
the game.
you can get us. You
I
can
have
do
to.
it.
Allah Akbar.
That's alright. You're alright. We're alright.
No, it's okay. It's good.
Oh
I'm
god,
stealthing.
Good God. By the gods.
Nah,
They don't know I'm real. They
Nothing
don't know I'm real.
suspicious about a man breaking through the wall. There's nothing
Oh,
wrong
I'm
with
getting
that.
beat.
Are we gonna go to the other street level one? Or
I gotta get in here
Caleb,
before I
Caleb,
die.
go to the other.
I panicked, guys. I'm sorry.
Caleb, go to the other one. I got you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry. That sounds
Oh,
fucking
dear. Uh-oh.
gross.
Oh, I'm hacking. Alright. Wall hacked.
Hello?
Let's go, boys.
we're not ready.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
not-
I
we're not
stole
wrong.
his- I stole his
We're not
cash.
even here.
I still like his cash too.
Ah!
Oh my god! Like nothing.
Hey, we're free.
Hey,
Let's
look,
just
they-
walk into this guy's stuff and take his money. See you
Wait,
later.
I knew that. Oh, you killed me.
It's a tie. Give me the key.
See what you did to me. Wait, since his headset died, he can't hear
Wait,
us.
no, yes, I can hear now. We're cornered, boys. Where do we go?
Pick up a gun and fight!
Let it get to go. Well, now we're.
They ripped my wiener off.
Oh, I'm hacking. They can't see me. I'm gonna die.
Goodbye, Caleb. Oh my god.
Oh, go get Caleb. I'm gonna go to the restroom right quick.
So I'm not gonna lie, I totally forgot I was the cleaner.
Hey, what is he doing? Ew!
I'm rich as fuck now, boys.
Yo, knock out that guy and save me.
Is there another nigga around?
Only above me. Wait, stop!
I don't know
Don't
what
hack.
this is. I got it! I got it! That's all I wanted!
I got it. Here we go.
You need more coins for bullets. Careful. What the fuck? Okay, they're on your ass.
Hello, what? They didn't even know it was
Fucking
me.
supreme ass tactics.
Oh, we gotta go. We gotta go.
I
get a suit.
slept him. Suit up, boys. Suit up, suit up.
We gotta go. Escape route.
Oh, we got to the VIP
Don't-
floor. We gotta go help Jack.
Alright.
This seems like a good status quo. to
Wait,
have.
there's camera. Oh, I hate.
It don't matter, they sleep.
Don't worry.
Yeah, they sleep.
Now,
It's okay.
now
I'm
I'm going to become the absolute self-master that I've always aimed with.
Don't worry, Caleb. I'll focus them with my. What? They shot me through the wall? That's bullshit.
Alright.
Watch my stealth mask.
Alright, they wouldn't even know it's me.
Use your crowbar. Use your hammer. Beat his ass.
My hammer's for walls only.
Ow!
That's.
I'm out of flashbangs. Oh, I have to go pee pee. Why is this dude standing there? I hate it.
He literally stands here. You're gonna have to alert him and go around. But careful.
It wasn't me.
No, he literally
Wait.
goes just back to his spot.
Why?
He's programmed for it.
I hate robots. Uh oh. Alright, Jack, I'm gonna need your killer instincts.
I'm a little busy right now.
Hacking.
I don't know how to do this.
Alert him and then go around.
Oh my god.
Whew. Okay, I got a coat.
Mistakes. Nani.
Go down.
No. You can still shoot your
It's okay. My sacrifice will
fucking
be...
armor. Go. We're gonna get to the VIP room.
This way's the easiest way. I already like bunked the hole. I'm dead. Wait a minute. Make this sacrifice. Oh, we both died.
What?
Wait, what?
No.
You're still
What?
reviving me. You're still reviving me. Wait, what the?
Up, go.
I thought
Hey,
we
we
both
did it.
died.
We're
I was
good
just
at this
reviving.
game.
They walked away.
Now take it calm.
Wait.
Take it
This is
easy
the best
peasy.
game
Turn the
of
shit off.
all- Yeah, thank God.
Turn this shit off. Turn this shit off.
We need keys, huh? Come on, let's go. That's guard there.
Got him. He's not
That's-
real. That's good gameplay. But these graphics. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Nick,
How'd you see me?
This room is a trap. It's a trap. This room is a trap.
Or is it?
Wait,
Or
don't
am
come
I
in here.
the
Ah!
stealth god.
Don't come in here.
I
I'm
killed him.
stealthy. Let me hack this cash register. Hold on.
Fuck. I didn't realize that door was locked.
Wait, Jack, stop. I'm trying to save him.
Juke
I
and
want
life
help.
hack mechanics.
I'll see you later.
Jeez. Alright, you Gucci. Alright.
Alright. We gotta kill the guard.
This out.
I have 1 health.
Nice. Joe.
I'm not gonna
What the fuck?
No! Wait, what the
Oh my God.
fuck? What? I did it! No! I'm gonna kill myself! You'll never get me!
Don't do it! Don't do it! Get... Here.
So Joe can come back and wait a minute. Joe's gonna die. Well, I'm not sure.
Oh, we have to get his lover. This game is magical.
Excuse me. I gotta
Look.
heal with my 1
Wait. Don't look at me. Oh, you got an AK-47.
I'm the chick now. Oh, does she have a? She just has a gun.
Uh-oh. Bad guy. Ooh, bad guy.
Don't mind me. I'm no one important. Where's the downstairs?
There's a bad guy right here.
Fuck you, buddy.
Who the fuck
Fuck
is
you,
this dude
buddy.
on?
Alright, I'm going. I have no
Dude's
fear.
in love with me? I don't like that. Dudes just fall in love with me?
Bro, you're gay.
That's I don't want to be the chick. This is gay. This is fruity.
Oh, I'm unlocking it with my mad skin. Oh, I forgot I broke that. Wait, why are we back here?
We got the person that we gotta get, and now we gotta go.
Nah, now we
Hey,
Let's just go then,
Hey,
come on.
oh no. I gotta use my stealth move.
Stealth
Initiating
move.
stealth mechanics.
Initiating stealth moves.
Excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse
Wait,
me.
you gotta stealth it up here. Jake, okay, come back.
No, you can do it.
This is
Alright,
fine.
what you do is just run to the top right.
Oh wait, there's a garden all the way on the right.
Yeah, I know.
Don't run in.
Oh.
Okay, just
It's
run out.
fine.
No fear, no fear. I have to help him.
I'm fine.
I have to help him. Through here. Wait, through here.
Oh,
Alright,
up here.
alright,
Alright.
let's go. Oh wait,
There
we're
was
not done
more.
yet.
Wait, what?
Wait, there's cameras, I hack them. Hacked. Hacked. I'ma hack him. Hacking. Oh, you kissed him.
Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Ew.
Excuse me.
So, you're just
I think we just leave.
yeah, let's just go.
Oh yeah,
Follow me.
let's
Onto a
go
boat,
this
boys.
way, and then we go
Onto
this way, and then
boats.
we go this way, and then we take this car.
I'm gonna take this car.
I want this car.
Fuck you guys.
Dang it. My car was cooler.
Alright. I'm gonna have to end it with that one, boys.
Yeah.
It was good being here.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching, and I hope I plan to record more, and we're gonna finish all this because I mean look at all of these routes. Look at all these fucking routes we have. We're still on the Locksmith route, we got the pickpocket route, Origins, the mole's thing is called Mole the Prologue. Origins.
Mole the prologue.
After the Fire. Top rated. We're gonna do all of this. Next one we should probably start off with the pick. Or no, let's complete all the regular one. All right,
No fear.
no fear, no pain. All right, y'all.